All right, what's up, YouTube? I just want to know if anybody can tell me what this sound is. When I pull off, you're going to hear it. It's going to be like a loud clickety-click popping noise. And I've been to mechanics and all, and nobody can't seem to tell me what this sound is. So I'm posting the video because somebody else might have experienced the same problem and actually found out what the issue was, and I can't figure it out. So wait till I'm able to slow down at a slower speed, because that's when you hear it. You don't hear it at higher speeds. You hear it at lower speeds. Now, one thing I'm noticing is that the four-wheel drive light came on. I'm sorry if y'all can't see that, it's out of focus. But the four-wheel drive light is down there to the right, next to the windshield wiper fluid level light. So you about to hear it now when I slow down. Listen.